Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you get into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to use the Fliki AI here, because this AI can help you to create the video, let's say from the prompt, script, URL, PowerPoint file, the editing, and also the recording, and also from the scratch or the empty blank. And also this will help you to create the audio and design. And since we would like to create the video, then we will start from this idea or prompt. And also if you would like to know how to use this Fliki AI, don't forget to do the sign in or log in first into your Google account or your email. And let's get into the start step. The first step is I will copy my prompt over here, and as you can see here, since we are using the free version, that this only give you the 30 seconds of or the video or 1 minute video. And if you would like to create 2 minutes video, then you need to upgrade it into the pro version. Then I will choose the 30 second is enough. It will take you into the second step. And this is the second step of this creating the video. Then you can choose the ratio, and it depends on the media that you would like to present this video. If you would like to present it in the mobile phone or the social media, then this portrait ratio will be suitable for you. And if you would like to create it in landscape ratio, then you can choose this landscape. Let's say I will choose this portrait, and I will choose this, let's say this suggested template, and I will go to the next section, and I choose this language and dialect, and I will choose the tone to become informative, career advice about the purpose, and audience is about the other, let's say, or graduates. Then you can also make sure that this script style can be informative and structured, like the educational video. Then you can start to next to give this AI chance to generate the script, and also it will give you chance to review the prompt that you have prepared before. And if you are okay with this prompt and it's like the summaries of the prompt, then you can go to the next section or the next step. And I will choose the voiceover here. Let's say I will choose this Mia, because this voice style that contains about the thunder is need to be upgraded for. Then you can submit it. Then it will generate your video, and kindly wait for the process. And this is
Social science graduates need key skills for AI. First, data literacy is crucial. Develop critical thinking and ethical reasoning for AI applications. Strong research and analytical abilities are vital. Effective communication and interdisciplinary collaboration are also essential. Finally, leverage your domain expertise in sociology or psychology to shape responsible AI.
Perfect. So this video is already made, so it needs to be adjusted before about the present who people or the one that will present this video. And you can also download this video, but it will need you to do the upgrade version and purchase this version. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this AI because it can be beneficial for your content in your social media. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel if you find this video helpful and if you would like to know and watch another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.